Most people think that making money online requires them to learn something completely new. But the reality is, right here, right now, it's actually the opposite. You should just be using what you already know and turn that into helpful content. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 3 simple steps to take what you already know right now, no matter how basic it might feel to you, and turn it into real online income using a calm, simple, step by step process. Step number 1, identify your already know enough topic. To start your 2026 online journey, right now, the only plan that you need, or the only thing that you need, is not an expert level knowledge. You just simply need to be one step ahead of the person you're helping. So don't overthink it. Just pick one simple topic. Start with something as simple as this. Ask yourself, what do people ask me for help with? Or what problem have I solved recently? So, what tool or process do I use every week? Maybe something that you use at work already, a piece of software on a computer. Maybe an app that you use to track certain things in your day-to-day life. What did I learn the hard way that someone else would benefit from, that I could teach them based on all that hard work that I put in to learn that process? All right. So your goal here is simply to just pick one topic, right? The simple answer becomes the foundation for your ability to make money online and to move forward and build your own profitable online business. Step number 2, turn your knowledge into a process. Your audience isn't looking for abstract opinions. They need a reliable roadmap, like the roadmap I'm going to show you here in a minute. So, the core of this is what I call the LDT model, or what you're seeing here. The core of the Learn, Do, Teach model, the LDT model, is transforming your personal solutions into public resources. Step 1 here is the problem. Clearly articulate the specific struggle or pain point your audience feels. So just identify the problem and then show people. Show people that the problem exists and it's okay, and you're going to help them, because here is the simple way. And then share an exact step by step method that you personally use to handle the situation. All right. Then guide them to the next step or resource that they need. Here's what's next. Here's what's next. I have a few real world examples here. Budgeting. If you're going to teach someone how to budget, don't just talk about saving. Share your specific spreadsheet template. Show them the process that you use. Skip the theory if you're talking about photography, and then teach the 3 camera settings that you use to shoot your photographs. Show your photographs. Show before, after. Show your real world setup, right? Don't just think about, oh, well, it would be cool if we did this. It'd be cool if we did that. It's okay to share your opinion about certain things, but at the end of the day, you need to share what's working. So another thing here, a real world example, if you're actually using a tool, specifically like here in 2026 and as we move forward, or as we move forward into 2026, when I'm shooting this video right now, it's 2025, but this idea applies to anything. I've addressed this here with avoid the hype and show the actual prompts you use today. A lot of times you see here on YouTube people showing you the hype around using AI to do something, but they're not actually showing you what they're doing. They're just showing you an outcome, and maybe not even an outcome. And this goes back to skipping the theory. What we want to do is create real helpful content based on something that we're actually doing. Then step 3, you're going to recommend the tools and you're going to earn money as an affiliate marketer. This is the concept. Help people, show them that you can help them by actually helping them, and then recommend what it is you're showing them via the tools that you're showing them. Recommend the tools that they actually see in your content. Because once you build trust by teaching, you can introduce your first income stream as an affiliate based on the helpful content that you've created. All right. So we're not trying to be aggressive here and try to be over salesy. We're just simply showing them the tools, the apps or services that you personally use to get the job done. And really what this is this is just your way of showing them the tools with no hype, no pressure. Just here's what I use, here's what I like. It's the utility of being helpful. and then having that helpfulness turn into income for you, money here online. This essentially is affiliate marketing done the right way or the honest way. When you solve a real problem and recommend a tool that actually helps, you earn commissions ethically. Now, the way that I do this is inside of my affiliating profitable online business 9-step roadmap, starting with my proven top strategy to generate traffic here on YouTube with that 3-step method that I just showed you, which starts with step number 1 here in my 9-step roadmap, which is to pick a topic. Then there are some tools, some tech, and some time that you need to put aside to learn. Put aside the time to learn the tools and technology to create that consistent content, which is helpful. Recommend those tools, which essentially what we call as a marketer, creating content is an offer. And then we're going to put people on an email list, because what we want to do is we want to put them in a place where we can follow up with them and show them exactly what it is we're doing, as well as automate this so we can generate passive income and then profit and scale your business. Understand what I mean here when I say automate passive income. What I'm talking about is creating a automated system that once you create the helpful content, you post it here on YouTube, people see it, you show them the offer. Remember those tools that you recommended after you actually helped them? Well, they're going to see that offer, probably not going to buy initially, but what you can do is you can offer them more information directly to their email inbox, build an email list. And this is just learning or having the foresight and the focus to operate as a marketer, which is what I teach here on my YouTube channel, as well as over my affiliating school community. There's a link in the description for that. It's called Affiliating, and it covers exactly what we've been talking about here. And we dive deeper into the 9-step roadmap that you see here, because really it is a roadmap. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6, 7, 8, and then step number 9. Because remember, what we're trying to do is we're trying to shift here to understand that the plan to make money online today, starting today and going forward, is not necessarily thinking about you being the expert, but a mindset shift for you to just be a helpful person, a helper. Be the helper. Here is the truth that most aspiring creators simply miss. You already know enough to start. The online world doesn't reward perfection. It rewards those who help move forward. Just like this video. There's nothing perfect about this video, right? But understand that the shift that we've taken now that you understand the 3 simple steps is just simply teach what you know. Now, following the LDT model, yes, you will need to learn more, but that's just you becoming a better version of what you already are. But right now, just share your current level of understanding openly. Share the real tools that you use. Recommend those resources that actually help you, that aid you in your process, the process that you're showing. Tell the truth. Oh my goodness. I mean, how hard is this? But seriously, just authenticity is what builds trust faster than fake expertise. So just be real. So like when I talk about my 9-step roadmap and my proven top strategy, it's proven because I do it. I help other folks, like the folks over my affiliating school community. We build traffic using helpful content here on YouTube. That leads to an offer, the tools that we're showing people that we actually use and get a result from, and then taking those people and then adding them to our email list. The reason we build an email list in the beginning is just simply because that's something that we own. And our focus is not here on YouTube to be a YouTuber, but to be a marketer creating helpful content and to build a profitable online business by taking the people that we helped and put them on an email list so we can continually follow up with them, and we own that email list. That list of email addresses that is your audience is something that we as marketers, as business owners own. We don't own YouTube. We don't own Facebook. We don't own the audience that we build on those platforms, but we do have the ability to take that over to an email list. And then we own those emails, and then we have that contact information that we can then reach out with more helpful information. So again, we go back to this big mindset shift for most people, and that's simply to be a helper, not the expert. So if you want to deep dive with me into this roadmap, or if you would like my help going deeper into this roadmap and my proven top strategy and simply working through each one of these 9 steps to build each foundational building block of traffic over to an offer and then adding people to an email list to essentially profit and scale or build your profitable online business. And then once you hit profit, learn how to scale that. Check out the link in the description for my affiliating school community. The resources are all in there. You can start for free by understanding and building your first profitable or building your first foundational pillar to your profitable online business, which is traffic. And to do that, just seriously think about this. And on this video, just drop me a comment and let me know what you already know that you think that you could turn into your first piece of content. And then we'll discuss it here. But over my affiliating school community, we can do that, and we can do that one-on-one there in the community. And you can also see this in more detail. I'd love to see you over my community, but if you have any questions before you join the community, feel free to ask them here on this video in the comments. Thanks for watching this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.